In this video, we are going to use the trend is your friend strategy and simply go with the trend. Whatever the indicator is giving a signal, we only make trade in that direction in the 5 second time frame. Of course, you can trade in any amount of expiration time like 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute with this strategy. Okay, you don't need to overcomplicate this indicator. Okay, you just need to test in your demo account and just keep on making trade wherever the market is suggesting that it will go by with the help of this indicator that is called super trend. Now all of your trades are not going to go right. Yes, of course, that is the true thing. Okay, you need to understand that very carefully, and you can see here one trade loss, one trade profit, and one trade was draw. Okay, so it is showing a sell signal. So let's wait for the timer to hit 1 second and make the trade and enjoy the profit. So our two trades are going to become profitable here, and we have already made the profit. If you start to make the strategies complicated, then it will be not good for you. So now at here you can see the market is trying to consolidate and signal is saying sell, so you can ignore these kind of signals. Okay, so similarly you need to see if market is clearly showing a trend like it is going in upward direction, then at that place you can make the trade. And still, whatever you strategy use, whatever you indicator you use, not all of your trades are going to go right. Okay, so you need to observe the market very clearly. Only don't trade in the consolidated market. As you can see here, there you can see my market might give us a free fall, because here you can see market have gone up down, and most probably it will go down. As you can see here, we have started to make the profit already, but still here you can see this is called a consolidation. Okay, where market is revolving in the same area. Do not make trade in this area. Okay, see, my work is to teach you. Whether you want to implement it or you want to put the bad comment below, you are welcome. You can do anything that you want. Okay, but what I do is here you can see our trade was draw. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to simplify the strategy by providing you by testing it in the demo account in the real time. Okay, also we do provide the copy trading service. If you want to copy our trade by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then you will get our uid. You can paste that uid in your pocket option account, and then you can start to copy our trade without even trading by yourself automatically. Okay, we are not talking about signal. If you want to do that also, then you can join our free telegram channel. So as you can see here also market have started to consolidate, so you need to avoid this kind of market. So as you can see here, you can see the beautiful trend here, but in such case also market can go in the opposite direction, because it is like in sorry, support area. As you can see here, this trade was also in draw. Okay, so let's keep on finding. So here you can see market is showing buy. Okay, and you can see market have calmed down again, gone up, calm down again, gone up, calm down. So here you can see another signal have started, and it seems like a fair entry for me. Okay, but anything can go wrong anytime while you make the trade. As you can see here, my balance is increasing consistently. You can test it in your demo account. Okay, no any strategy works for the 100% of the time. Please guys, understand that very clearly if you are in trading. Okay, so try to test various strategy and think about working strategy that you can find in the real time while you are making the trade. Then only you can become a successful trader. Okay, so the way I'm making the trade, I don't need to think about a lot. And some people may say that it is a kind of gambling you are doing. Yes, that also may be true. Okay, at this point in 5 second time frame, I may be doing that. But what I did before making trade here, and I am speaking to you confidently about it, is because I made various trade on demo account, and I see that at this real time this strategy is working. That's why I decided to start my screen recorder and show you this, so that you can understand how actually you need to trade. If you rely on single strategy, you are going to fail all the time. Okay, so guys, here you can see a buy signal have appeared, and let timer it 1 second, and we are going to make trade. Now I feel like this trade will go in loss, because previously also I had experience. Okay, so as you can see here, it has gone in loss. Okay, but if you stop trading here, then you will be in loss. You don't need to make $200 per trade. You can even trade with $1 per trade. Okay, so you can do those things by using your brain. So do like this video guys. I'm going to make a few more trades. Here you can see buy signal, and market is not consolidated, and we have got all good retracement. So it seems like it is reversing. Yes, it has reversed. So like let's again go above. So sell signal, as com. Okay, so I'll see if I can make the trade at here, and yes, of course I had made, and we are going to make profit in this trade as you can see here. So let's again see here, market is trying to consolidate at here, so we'll avoid this currency pair. Let's go for more. So it is in the resistance area, but still we can press it to the above direction, and we are going to make the profit. So guys, in this way you can trade with this simple strategy.